Hello friends, I am going to write a Python program to print the characters in a string using for loop. So I am writing for loop for a variable C. I am giving in, here I am giving a sequence is a string, that is com, is the string followed by colon. So for is a keyword for the for loop, C is a loop variable or by in operator, and I am having a string com followed by the colon. In the body of the for loop I have to give indentation for the scope of the for loop. That means if you give indentation, then the statement is in the scope of the for loop, in the body of the for loop. Here I am giving print C. Print C. This is a program for the loop variable C. First take the character C in the sequence, that is a string, and will print C. So here I am writing output. Now to print C here. Then the statement within the for loop is over. It will come to the header of the for loop. Now the loop variable will take the second character A in the string. So now it will check A in com. In operator will compare the character in the left side is in the sequence in the right side. So it is available, it will return true. Then the loop will get executed, it will come in the body of the statement and print the character A, print C. The variable C is having a character A. Now it will print A. Likewise, the control will come here and take the next value L in the loop variable and print the value L. And the control will come to the loop header and take the next value in the sequence in the loop variable C. And here also M in com is true, then the statement will get printed. Now control will come here, the sequence is over. Now the statement will transfer to the next statement after the for loop. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.